Hey guys and all, and welcome back to my second channel. I realize I'm not done making any Chuck E. Cheese reaction videos since I've been really busy with Special Olympics and hanging out, something I don't know, but I don't want to hang out with my friends because my behavior on the 29th of April was unacceptable. But now in the discussion, because Chuck E. Cheese has uploaded the newest video, and they're going to play it for Show 4 2019 for Halloween, and I'm going to show you the schedule video for Show 4 2019. It's called Cat Sitting with Pasqually. The song is called Cat Sitting, but even though it's almost like babysitting, but even though it's called Cat Sitting. And look, it's Chucky, Copernicus, and Pasqually, and Helen's over there waiting to go to the fall festival. My dad and I go to the fall festival too, you know. But speaking of that, I'll be heading to the horse festival and trying to make vlogs for that one and go there tomorrow with my father, because I will be there making more videos. Enough with that chitty chat discussion. Without further ado, it's time to do this reaction video. Here we go.
Thanks again, Pasqually, for volunteering to watch Copernicus tonight while Helen and I go to the fall festival. Just keep him company. He sometimes gets lonely when his daddy has to weave.
And for some reason, he sounds like Elmer Fudd from the Looney Tunes. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits. I gotta work on depression.
Not to worry, Chuck. I
Copernicus.
will keep him company. On the walk
Very
over,
nice,
I was writing
Pasqually.
a song, so maybe I will test it out on him. See if he likes it.
I hope.
Huh.
Well, there he goes.
Maybe he doesn't like that idea.
Wait, who's that?
I bet that's Helen.
Oh, Helen hitting the gamer chick. Hey, Chucky. Ready to go?
Hey, Helen. Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Hey, Pasqually. You're cat sitting, huh?
No, I'm sitting on the couch.
Good one.
Okay, Pasqually, we'll be back in a few hours. Thanks again. See ya.
Bye, Chucky. Here they go.
Okay, you guys have fun. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh.
Finally! I thought they would never leave, huh?
Wait a second. That's the first time you never get to see Ronnie was talking. Now Copernicus. The kitten who wears mittens, but he's a talking cat. Reminds me of Talking Tom from Talking Tom and Friends.
Now that it's just you and me, I hear you've got a song you've been workshopping. Let's hear it.
Okay.
Talking cat?
Sorry about that.
This coming
Just
from
a
a guy
notification.
who hangs out with talking animals all day. Last time I checked, Chucky is a mouse, Helen's a bird, and Jasper is a dog. Need I go on?
You make a really good point, but how come I never heard you speak before?
I never talk.
I'm shy, okay? Golly! Oh! But enough of that. I want to hear this song of yours. Entertain me.
Well,
Okay,
it really
Copernicus.
does need
Whatever
some
you
work.
say, buddy.
Hey, I get it. It's a process. No judgment. Hit me with it.
Well, okay.
Okay, go for it, Pasqually.
There I was on a crisp fall night.
Pasqually's in full puppet right now. That's pretty cool. Just like Chucky in full puppet form from Let's Have a Party.
The sun has set
Cartoon
and it
Town.
might be dark, but I feel so light here in the park.
In the
I think
park.
of a joke and I feel witty. I'll tell you next time I'm in the city. Yeah.
Pretty
Is that
catchy
it?
tune there, Mustache Man.
You think so?
You like it?
Sure do, but I gotta tell ya, I don't like that last line.
What do you mean,
How about
Copernicus?
this? I think of a joke and I feel witty. There's nothing like a cute little kitty.
Oops.
Okay.
Try it again, Pasqually.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, just like you did in
It's getting
Vespancito
better
when
already.
Chucky turned into a shoe and a carrot and a
let's
green.
have the next verse.
Taking a walk on a crisp all night, feeling good underneath the moonlight. Autumn sights are all around, the colors of gold, red, orange, and brown. The temp is
The
cool,
fall.
a new season
Oh, the leaves are turning
starts.
colors.
I'm feeling so warm here in my heart. I pass the park
Uh-oh.
bench where I
It's Steve Waters.
say hello to a friend as I tip my
You never get to see him
hat.
from any
All right,
years.
yeah, not bad.
You have a thought?
You have a thought?
Just a little change to that last line again. Hear me out.
Okay.
Okay.
I pass a park bench where I once sat. I feel so happy when I pet a cat. Boom!
Boom.
Pasqually, this song is gonna be a hit.
Oh.
Okay.
Keep
if you
that
say
in mind.
so. But do you think this song is starting to become too much about cats?
Too much?
You got a problem with cats?
No.
Ah, no!
I love cats. It's just that,
Look, I'll just try to forget that you said that. Huh. All right, you got another verse?
You got another
yes,
verse, buddy?
One more.
Lay it on me.
Lay it on me.
I actually think you're going to like this verse as it is.
Well, all right, sing it.
Sing it.
Taking a stroll on this fall night. Hey, look, there's some cats underneath the moonlight.
Oh, some kitties.
I love kitties. They
Oh,
are so
I have a cat. Her
cute.
name is Ginger.
Maybe I should get one and name him Boots.
Boots.
Kitty cat, meow, meow, meow. That song's really catchy. Think I'll watch it right now.
Little bitty kitty cat, meow, meow, meow. Little bitty kitty cat, meow, meow, meow. I did this video last summer.
Copernicus is the cutest of the kittens. Oh, meow. Oh, meow.
Yo, you go, Pasqually.
So,
What do you think? You like it?
Huh.
Well,
you don't like
it?
Well, it's just,
Yes.
yeah. It's too much about cats.
Well.
Just kidding. You can never have too many cats.
Oh, what? Oh, that's awesome.
Check 'em out. Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Here we go, Pasquale's outro.
That was stupendous.
You can say that again, Pasquale.
Now do me a favor and go click the like button down below. And click here
Will
to watch
do.
another video and click there to subscribe so you'll know each time we add something new. Until next time, hasta la pasta.
You too, Pasquale. Then again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Already version will be in my next video. Catch you later, and peace out.